Now you can see our site from this distance or this angle. We have some works going on. These people delayed in preparing lunch, so is when they are preparing something for themselves. Yeah, we have our materials ready here. We are going to do our final slab. The other slab that we have above isn't that massive. So we have the river sand. Remember, this is Eastern Province. So in terms of cost, the dust might be a bit costly to get to here. Although our ballast still comes from the Lukenya area. So yeah, because that is the nearest quarry. It has to go through Machakos and get into Machakos Water Road and to the site. So that is it. I've inspected the works. I've noted a few things. I've given information to the foreman, and now I'm just planning on my way back. So before I leave, I need to have a taste of site food. So today we are here, and this guy here is preparing ugali. you know, Kenyans can't do without ugali, and this guy is from Luo Nyanza. So he has been here with a lot of mangoes, and the mango season is over. So now today we are doing some ugali preparation here for the people on site. And what is this guy doing? What is this guy doing? This guy has some things from Nyanza. This is, for those who know, this is omena. Omena in English, sardines. Yes. Yeah. So this is the site house. These projects is in the interior. So we had to take people from Nairobi for us to have a reliable team, because now if you come to the locals, today they are in, tomorrow they are not in. Yeah, so our people stay in here, just a makeshift house for the site team. Yeah, that is it. That is what happens on the ground for your project, for the beautiful houses you see to come up. These are some of the things that have to be done. These are the people who ensure that these projects are successful. And we value their roles, we value their contribution, we value the teamwork we are experiencing in the industry. And every day we work hard to ensure that your project success is not compromised. So if you have a project you need to start off, however far it is, you reach out to us. We can do a virtual meeting if you are far away and cannot make it to our office. But in the event you can make it to our office, just give us a call. We schedule a meeting. Our offices are based in Imara, right behind Liberty Plaza. Liberty Plaza, for those who don't know, is opposite Imara Mall. So when you get there, you will get the green building. That is where our offices are based, at the second floor. If you are far, we also will organize the project team, the architect, the engineer, the quantity surveyor, and we'll get a conference call, take your project brief, and agree on the costing and start off. So ours is to ensure that your project's success is not compromised. That is why here I play the lead role by ensuring that your project is designed with the required standard, and then the building is also done with the required precision. So hope to see you soon.